Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are my subby and you're watching, thank you for watching. So on today's topic, we're going to talk about Uskoteni. She just added plus one. Let's look at inside her birthday. So she was currently wearing this beautiful outfit here. Oh, look at the cake, guys. Wow. She looks so pretty. She looks so beautiful. She looks so gorgeous. So, yeah, there were people who actually attended her birthday. It's the first time I see her like celebrating a birthday like this classic. This birthday was it's giving classic rich lady. She looks so beautiful, guys. What y'all think? So yeah, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.